Ever feel a pang of disappointment when those store-bought flowers fade too quickly? You're not alone. What if you could step outside and cut your own perfect bouquet every single day? It's easier than you think. Let's explore the world of cut flower gardening and how to have blooms all year long. First, let's talk about annuals. These are your workhorses, giving you an abundance of blooms in a single season. Zinnias are a must-have with their long-lasting flowers and endless color options. Cosmos add an airy, delicate touch and are incredibly productive. Sunflowers bring bold, cheerful focal points and are now available in so many sizes. Snapdragons offer tall, elegant spikes perfect for adding height. Celosia gives unique textures, while Amaranth adds drama. Statice is a fantastic filler and dries beautifully. Scabiosa brings adorable pincushion blooms, and Bells of Ireland provide striking green spikes. Sweet peas fill the air with their sweet fragrance. For a longer harvest, remember to plant successively, cut in the morning, and use clean shears. Now, what about those early spring bouquets? That's where biennials come in. These plants grow foliage the first year and bloom the second, and they're worth the wait. Foxglove provides tall, dramatic spires, perfect for a cottage garden feel. Canterbury bells offer elegant, bell-shaped flowers, while Sweet William will provide fragrant clusters and sturdy stems. Honesty offers both delicate flowers and stunning seed pods. Hollyhocks add old-fashioned charm with their tall spikes, and forget-me-nots are perfect for early season fillers. Erysimum, wallflower zone 6 to 9, brings scented, bold-colored blooms, and Iceland poppies bring a delicate, papery texture. If you plan to try biennials, sow seeds in late summer or early fall and mark where you plant them. But what about long-term beauty? That's where perennials shine. These plants come back year after year, giving you a continuous supply of blooms. Peonies are luxurious and fragrant, perfect for special occasions. Shasta daisies offer classic white blooms all summer long, but their smell is somewhat objectionable. Echinacea or coneflowers are a pollinator favorite and great for fresh or dried arrangements. Rudbeckia brings cheerful, bright blooms. Yarrow is a fantastic filler and dries well. Astilbe provides feathery plumes in soft colors. Delphinium adds dramatic height with its tall spikes. Veronica offers sleek spires in cool colors. Phlox paniculata brings fragrant, colorful clusters. Russian sage adds silvery foliage and airy blooms. Coreopsis provides cheerful, daisy-like flowers, while sedum offers late-season color and textural interest. Plan your perennial garden to stagger bloom times, divide clumps every few years, and cut flowers in the early morning for best results. So, are you ready to transform your garden into a cut flower paradise? With these annuals, biennials, and perennials, you'll have a continuous supply of beautiful blooms all season long. If you love these gardening tips and want to see more, please subscribe to our channel and explore our other videos. We have lots more to help you create the garden of your dreams. Thank you so much for hanging on until the end. This is Gary. Have a good growing season. Please visit again. Bye-bye now.